Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs, bringing you a mini tour of my clock collection. I have an update, so I'm bringing you the update. All right, so I have this mental clock, and I'm gonna see if I can grab another one for the other side. Mental clock, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? It's vintage, and I can set it. It doesn't use batteries, but it needs to be wound. Is it wine or wound? Um, so there it is. And then I added this Bulova clock right here. Um, was a gift. That one I found years ago. That one was a gift. And I think both of them are vintage. Um, and here you go. I have a Seiko. Oh, sorry. I said I wasn't going to say name brand. Um, so I have this big, nice one. And I have two to match it, but small. Um, I like that. And this, I just got this to work uh, last night or a couple nights ago. These are working, but no, that's different time. All right, so I put batteries in these, and that thing is not dancing. And I feel disappointed because they work. I just can't get them to dance. Um, and then I found out that this clock, I bought two clocks like this. The first one I bought from my shop for the time, and that works. And I recently got this, and I just plugged it in last night, and it's not working. And I think I got it over 3 months ago. I don't know if I should go and tell him that it's not working, but it's a vintage. And I love it. I love the detail and everything. And it's on an electric clock. So maybe I'm not touching something, but I think when you plug it in, it should work. Anyways, another one there. This is my first L1. And that one. Then I'm gonna go over here. Yes, this is new. So I also got a new one. This I cannot get that to dance. Look, the day I plugged this one in or put batteries, it started dancing. Never stopped, right? And this I can't get. I put new battery in, can't get that to dance. So I am missing something with these ones because I know they can dance. That's my first W1. And that's my first M1. I wish they were all the same brand, but they're not. I just pick up clocks. Oh, I have two of these names. Nice. Um, I don't know which name is that one. And this one too, guys, has battery, but they're not dancing for me. And that this is the first clock of the two, and this one works. And it came with this broken piece. That one is nicer and look newer, and it's not working. And then I have another S one there. So let's see the collection again. I try to do 3 or wherever there's a large one, 2. And then I am hoping to get all clocks from here all the way down. And I have other clocks here, but I prefer, see, I have other clocks here. I prefer gold or silver, or even this antique white. I have a pussycat one. Isn't that cute? That. And I have this vintage one. And then this other vintage one. So I do have enough to finish that look, but I'm trying to, I don't know, maybe I want a different look and leave these here. So I'll see. I'm going out today. I'm gonna see if I can find any, and I'm gonna go to two store today and see if I can reach any. But I think that is looking pretty good with the collection. Tell me, what do you think? All right, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and be kind, courteous, love your neighbors, check on your elderlies. Peace.